Alright guys, so this is what I've done to my CRV. I installed a Bullbar. So, it's by Westin. It's not bad. This is actually pretty decent quality. The mounts that are on the bottom, installed where the jack points are at, they really suck. The ones that I have, the coating is like coming off, slightly rusted. Yeah, I don't recommend that. If you know how to like weld your own pieces and stuff, I'd recommend making your own brackets, because yeah, these ones suck. But the bar itself, pretty good. When I did this, I wanted to integrate the Jeep lip still on the Rd1. So what I did was I just cut right here. I just cut around it. It's rectangular, the side, well, the shape. This one came out better. This one I need to slightly trim it on, let's see. I need to just slightly trim it right there on the left side. But yeah, not bad, pretty cool. There's holes right here for mounting fog lights, which is the reason why I got it. And I think it looks really nice. It gives it more of an off-road look with bull bars presented on the Rd1. You know, some people might not like it. I'm doing a little too much with this build, but you know, it's just, I lifted it, have the AT tires on, so that's why I wanted to add the bull bar. So yeah, I made a previous video, it got deleted, so I couldn't show you guys like when I got it, etc. But this is the outcome. I think it came out really nice. It's quite sturdy, like I said. It's very difficult to put on. I would highly recommend to have a second person help you, because with that additional party, they'll be able to stabilize it, and you'll be able to cut if you have the lip, and then while they hold it for you, you can bolt it in. It's really easy to do. I'm going to put a link to a video of how the guy mounted it, and it helped me. It was a good guide, which is why I'm going to include it. So yeah guys, let me know what you think. Like, comment, subscribe. In the next video I'm going to talk about me selling my CRV and why. So yeah guys, and if you guys can, I got a PayPal link also underneath. If you guys would like to contribute and buy me a coffee, I like that. That'd be great. I tend to not buy coffee now because it gets expensive, but you know, when I do, it's typically on the weekends. You know, I like that $1, you know. But yeah guys, well, have a good one. Peace.